My name's Dale, and I'm a stock car racer. Now, when you're getting ready to paint a car, make sure that you mask off anything you don't want painted. So you can see here, we've got the Engine Masker 7000. This is available at most paint supply shops.
Isn't that a trash bag?
No, it's not a trash bag.
It looks like a trash bag.
It's not a trash bag. It's an Engine Masker 7000.
It has a trash bag handle.
It's not a trash bag. That's not a trash bag handle. It's an Engine Masker handle. Otherwise, why wouldn't they? They could call it a dirt stick. And then what would you call it? Oh, it's a trash bag. Well, it's not a trash bag.
I'm allergic to your bullshit. Oh.
Uh-huh. Okay, then. Anyway, mask off things that are valuable to you or yours, like the Dixie horns. Not really any of the rest of this, but those are worth a lot. So just rip it. Just guess. Guessing's fine. So just take that and shove her down like that, around there. Yep. And take your masking tape. This came from the Dollar Tree. And stick her right there. Stick her down there. Well, that's good enough. So, next, we have to visit the wall of razor blades. And we pick a good one. Let's see here. Ooh, that one looks like tetanus. Okay. We take it back here. We got to mask off the only other thing worth masking off, which is, of course, this label right here. And we don't want to lose that because I might need to put my Porta Power back in this someday. So, what you do when you're trying to mask off a sticker, just line her up like that. Push down on it. Important tip here, make sure you use painter's tape for this, otherwise you'll peel the whole thing back off. And the painter's tape from the Dollar Tree is the best painter's tape money can buy. Well, it's the best painter's tape $1 can buy. So you just stick it on there like that. Rub it on. Rub it out really good. I mean, rub it out. Take your rusty razor blade and just guess where the end of the sticker is. It's probably something like that. And you just cut it. Very simple, very easy, very simple. Then you just take her on the bottom side and also guess where it was. Just like that. Put a perfectly straight line and cut another perfectly straight line right there. And the top should be good as we line that up. Then she just peels right off like that. Isn't that satisfying? Boom. Boom. That's done. So we're practically ready for paint. The only thing we got to do, maybe I should mask the gauges off. I need to see them when I'm racing. I'm doing left turns and stuff. Don't use paper. We don't need that. Just take your tape and just, reach around. Reach right around. Just like that. Just reach it around. Just throw a little bit on there. Like that. Yep. Yep. That's pretty much a pro job there. Alright. Prepping the metal for paint. So what we got to do is get our sander out. Ah, it's over here. Don't waste your money on sandpaper. Sandpaper is expensive. And sandpaper, well, it wears out. It's sandpaper. Use this. This is better. It will leave a beautiful finish on the car, and you can just paint right over it. You don't even need primer or anything. Don't waste your money or your time. So you just fire it up. Yep. Yep. As you can see, that is perfect. This is a great surface for painting. There's nothing wrong with it at all. So that'll work fine, and it's going to work really good back here where we've done some body work back here. Yep. Always have a clean environment to paint your car in. No dirt, oil, mud, grass, blood. But, that's what you got to do. You just take this and... That whole part's done. It's that easy, folks. Body shops, they like charge you $10,000, $12,000. Why would you do that when you could do it yourself for $10 or $12? It just makes sense. So let's get to painting. Ready to paint, get yourself a good spray gun. This sucker was $17.99 on sale with a coupon. And you can see, she's done a few. Always smoke when you're near lacquer thinner. It really helps well, no, don't do that. Well, don't smoke. Alright, anyway. Yeah, that's clean. So we'll just use that. Just put your tip on. Make sure you pick the right tip for the job, which is this one. So, that's good to go. Keep some thinner in your gun. That way, any paint you had from last time, it'll just get thinned out and it'll stay clean. Ish. So, first thing you do, put your paint in the paint mixer. Next. And just pop her open. Let me grab a screwdriver behind you. Thank you. Pop her open. Ooh. Isn't that a beautiful color? I need a stir stick. Isn't that gorgeous? She's a candy killer. Pearlescent. It's about $300 a gallon.
It's pearlescent?
Uh-huh. You can't see it? Yep, she's pearl. Anyway, read the directions. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Ooh, yeah, yep, yep, yep. Okay. I don't know. Alright, so here's something I have a problem with, and maybe you can recommend something in the comments. How do you dump this into that without dumping it everywhere? Never figured it out. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Chunky. Premium. Naphtha. It's extremely flammable. We mix a little bit of that in. Like so. Well, that's good. So use one of these if you are inclined. And it'll just sink right down in there. Yep. Yep. Now you might think you're done here, but you're not. Another tip, when you're painting a big car, make sure you mix up another cup full. That way next time you're just ready to go. Because you're going to take probably about half of this gallon to paint that car for a show quality job. It don't taste good. It don't taste good at all. Now when you're painting, start on one panel, finish the panel, work your way to the next one. Use your crappy gun here, and when you're spraying, make sure your pattern is a nice cone. Just like that. Where it's spitting and popping real bad, that's what you want. You don't want it to be good. Look at that. You can't even tell. It's already, this is bodywork and paint all in one.